All right, guys, well, you have reached Regina's Way, and last week I showed you all how to stack and set a beautiful table setting. So now let's just build on that. I have something that I want to show you that is so easy, but will make your table look beautiful. Let me show you. If you have not seen the other videos that I have made, then go back and watch those so you can catch up. I went to At Home and I have gotten 8 napkins for $12.99, and they're cotton napkins. There they are right there. Let me show you how to upgrade your table. You're going to take your napkin and you are going to fold it. Fold it in half. Then you're going to fold it back. You're going to lift up one edge of that napkin and meet it to the other corner. You're going to take another piece of the napkin and bend it underneath the first piece you bent back. Then you're going to do it again. Now it should look like that. We are going to flip this napkin over. We're going to turn it, and we're going to fold towards the middle. Then we're going to fold it again. And it should look like that. Now let's put our things in. We have a knife here. We have a spoon here. And we have a fork here. And that looks beautiful. Look at that. That's beautiful.